In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logic branching. Go to section. Use go to section based on answer. Easiest. Logic branching in Google Forms lets you guide people to different parts of your form based on what they choose, so each person only sees questions that are relevant to them. It keeps your form shorter, clearer, and more personalized. Start by opening your Google form. This is the form where you want to add branching. Make sure you have a general idea of the different paths you want people to take because branching works by sending respondents to specific sections. Next, create the destinations you'll route people to. Click the Add Section icon, the one that looks like two stacked rectangles. Each section becomes a separate screen in the form, so it's a good idea to name each section in a way that matches the choices you plan to offer, like beginner questions or advanced questions. You can add as many sections as you need for your different paths. Now choose the question that will control the branching. This must be either a multiple choice or a drop-down question type. Those are the only types that support go to section based on answer. If your question is currently something else, switch it to multiple choice or drop-down so the branching options appear. On that question, click the three vertical dots, also known as the More menu. From the menu, choose Go to Section based on answer. This activates a destination control for each answer choice in your question. You'll now see a small drop-down next to every answer option. For each answer, select the section it should go to. Pick the section that best matches the path for that response. If you created sections earlier and named them clearly, this part is quick and intuitive. You're essentially mapping each choice to its next screen. As you assign destinations, keep the overall flow of your form in mind. Sections typically progress in order, so make sure your routing doesn't create loops or dead ends. If two answers should lead to the same questions, point both to the same section. If certain respondents are done after a choice, you can route them to the final section where the form ends. That's it. By opening your form, adding sections, using a multiple choice or drop-down question, turning on Go to Section based on answer, and assigning a destination for each choice, you've set up clean, effective logic, branching the easiest way possible.